How's it going? Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have a 2015 Porsche 911 GTS Cabriolet. This car has 40,000 miles on the odometer. Clean Carfax. Michelin Pilot tires are like new on this car. It's beautiful, Carrera white. Has the black Alcantara interior. We'll take a look at it in a second, with the carmine red stitching. There are no dents or dings on this car. Beautiful wheels. This car has the sport exhaust with the valve. You can hit the button inside and opens up the valves on the exhaust. Park sensors. MSRP on this car is $142,000 new. It's got the Alcantara package. It has the sport design steering wheel, instrument dials in red, has navigation. It has GTS communication package, Bose sound system. Very nice car here. Carbon fiber trim. GTS there, the stitching is beautiful. Here's your button for the exhaust right there. Sport chrono, of course. It's a PDK car. Leather dash. GTSs are pretty unique. This car sounds great. We have dealer records for this car, 2 key fobs, and all the books. The front end is covered in PPF. We have a receipt for that as well in the glove box. It's the fenders, back of the mirrors, the hood, the front bumper, and around the windshield. Really, really nice car. 2015 with 40,000 miles. You can see all the pictures and all the description and information, along with a list of all the options on this car at rogersmotorcars.com. Take a look. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond very quickly.